So this is how you can send money to the Philippines in GCash from Xoom. This is from the actual Xoom website. Simply search for Xoom Send to Philippines, and this will be the first link that pops up. Once you open it, this is what it looks like. Here, you can send money to the Philippines. Now type how much money you want to send. For example, I'm going to enter $100. After entering the amount, tap on Send Now. Now make sure that your receiving option is selected as Mobile Wallet. This includes GCash, PayPal, or other available wallet options. Next, tap on Next once again. Now log into your account. Once you log in, follow the instructions shown on the screen. It will ask you what payment method the receiver is going to use. Make sure that you select GCash. Then enter the receiver's GCash details, such as their mobile number and name. After that, continue with the process. The money may arrive in a few minutes. You might need to wait around 5 to 10 minutes, or sometimes even less depending on processing time. And that's about it for this video. Once again, all you have to do is search on your browser for Xoom Send to Philippines and open the official website. Just follow the instructions and you're good to go. Thank you for watching.